Today learn how to use the Kawasaki's controller. Then changes the welding power the permits. You can see it here. You can use the cotton and stainless switch. Change the cotton and the stainless and check the welding wire, the damage, and the gas. Use the CO2 or MAC or MIC, and also you can change the welding the plus or no plus. Okay, how to change it? We first can see the controller. We must open the menu. Choose this, then press the end. You can see the here. You can use the menu. You can see. You can see the here is only the limit contact ready. If not ready, the limit is red. The now is green. Green is contact. Also the robot ready. And the welding power supply is ready. Also contact. Okay. And welding power the stairs is good. Also is ready. We can see the here. Here is the alarm. If the welding power have the alarm, here is show the code here. Also here, if you have the alarm, you can click the reset. This is send wire and return wire and check gas and welding on. And here is check the welding success from the welding power to the controller. Here is change the model. Model 00. You can see the here. 00 is set the current and the voltage the stability, which generally will use the 00. If you want to use the 01, is not here is no, and 02 set current only. It means the voltage is allowed the current the change. You only set the current only. 03 also not a spot. 04 is call cancel storage the model. Call this one is not used. We only use the 00. Okay. And channel you can see the here. Channel also not used. We only use the program and the welding length and the slow down and this and the arc sharp. You can see the here. We can see it. We now use the 012. Program is 012, right? You can see the here. Here is 01, 02. 012 is cotton steel, and also use the welding wire the 1 millimeter. Also the gas use the MAC plus, right? You can see the here. Is cotton 1.2 is MAC, also have a plus. First one is no plus. First two is plus, and here is mark. Right? If one, for example, you can see it. If we want to change the stainless stainless use the one, very wide, use the 1 point, and also use the mic, right? This is only mic. Also here have a mic plus. If you want to change it stainless no plus, we choose the 017. You can see it. If we want to click nothing, we must change the switch. Must choose the on. Left, on the right is on. On the left is close. Okay. We now choose the here. Also choose the 017. Then press the end. You can see it. Here is change the stainless. Here is choose the 1 point of the mic. Here is no price, right? If we want to open the price, we must stainless 3 service. Choose the 027. 027. Press end. You see it? Is stainless 1.0 mic. Here have the price, right? We now use the carton. Use the carton plus. Then 1.0 is 012. Okay. 012. Press the end. You can see it. Carton 1.0 Mac and plus, right? Okay. If we want, we only change the program. This don't set it. Only choose the program. Change the parameters. If we want to welding another product on different material, you can use this. After you change it, you back change it. Then to the menu, to the pitch. Okay. Also, you can change the welding power, the parameters. The now is the model is use the robot the contact, right? You press this button, then cannot change it. After we close this button, you can see it. Then restart the welding power. The welding power can change the parameters. You can see it. Okay, we now can choose the this 1, 2, 3. 3 is change the parameters. You can see it. After set it, we choose the first one. Then open the this. Then the robot is contact. Is use the robot. Okay.